Close your eyes and take a deep, conscious breath. Imagine a soft, blue mist surrounding you. This is the energy of the blue lace agate. With every exhale, release the noise of the day. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw relax. You are entering a space of total safety. Look at the gentle waves upon the stone. They are like the movements of your own mind, slowing down, becoming still. I release the need to overthink. I release the weight of words unspoken. My mind is becoming as clear and cool as a mountain lake. The heat of stress is replaced by the coolness of peace. Repeat after me, or listen to these words as they become your own truth. I am the master of my emotions. I communicate my truth with love and clarity. I am surrounded by a shield of tranquility that nothing can pierce. I trust the flow of my life. Everything is happening exactly as it should. I am calm. I am balanced. I am enough. Feel the serene blue light anchoring in your throat and your heart. It remains with you even after this meditation ends. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, carrying this stillness in every cell of your body. You are renewed.